How to hide filter on Instagram story. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, after you open your phone like this, now go ahead and open your Instagram. So as you can see now, after you open your Instagram app like this, all you have to do now, as you can see now, tap on this plus button at the middle of your Instagram, this plus button. After you tap on this plus button, all you have to do now, go ahead and choose this. As you can see now, here is it, as you can see guys now. Go ahead and tap on this story section. As you can see now, if you are using Instagram Lite, the story section will be at the top. So go ahead and choose the story section. After you tap on this story check section now, go ahead and choose the filter that you want to use. So for me, I'll just go ahead and choose like 8K or 4K filter. Here is it now. If you want to take a picture, just tap on it as you can see now and take a picture. But if you want to just record a video, just long press your hand on the camera to record a video. So for me, I want to just record a video. I'll just go ahead and tap on this to record the video. So as you can see now, after you finish recording your video like this now, all you have to do now, tap on this. As you can see now, don't tap on this share button, tap on this three dot at the top right side, this three dot. Now tap on this save button, save the video to your phone or the picture. So after, as you can see now, it's saving my picture, my video to my phone. Now it saved the video to my phone. I'll tap on this back arrow now. Tap on this discard option, discard. So tap on this. As you can see now, in this section now, tap on this gallery icon, this gallery at the bottom left side. So as you can see now, all you have to do now, go and select the video that you record or picture. I will go ahead and choose my video. After you choose your video, all you have to do now, in order to hide the, as you can see now, the filter name, all you have to do now, tap on this text section, tap on it. After you tap on this text section, go ahead and type something. As you can see, like, here is me, here is here is me, here is my video or my view. So after you just type something, as you can see, like this one, make sure you type something like this one. So tap on this done button. After you tap on this done button, now use this text to hide the filter. As you can see now, let's say the filter is just located at the bottom right side or left side. All you have to do now, go and add this text on the filter. Let's say the filter is located at the top right side, so go ahead and add the filter at the top. As you can see now, use your hand to resize the filter and add the text on the filter. After you add the filter name using your text that you just added, all you have to do now, tap on this share button. So as you can see now I add this text on the filter name. So now tap on this share button. Now it will share my video without the filter name on Instagram story. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.